Hey everybody, welcome back to Trevor's Woodshop. Today I'm going to be doing a couple little projects for a few friends that had done some stuff for me not that long ago back. I don't know if you'll remember it or not, but Jason McGinn and Matt Brander had put out a video a little while ago back of them doing their beeswax and their phone/business card holder. And shortly after that video, they gave me the business card holder along with an awesome jar of their beeswax. So today I just wanted to do a couple little projects and maybe surprise them with a little gift of their own. Stick around, check it out. Okay, here's what I've done so far. And I did this off camera because it's painlessly boring to watch. But got it set up so I've got little 1/2 inch gaps here. And I left myself a 1 inch spot here for the tooth. And I went over to the drill press and drilled out some holes here. Now we're going to take it over to the bandsaw and cut these little sections out. And then I'm going to do some little notches in it like this here to make it look like teeth. So, over at the bandsaw, I cut out 4 handles. Got them over at the sander, cleaned them up a little bit. Pre-drilled and drilled my holes. And when it's all said and done, I'm going to stain these handles dark. And it's going to look something like that. Alright, so we're all finished up. Who wants to see it? Nah, just kidding. Here they are. This is the first one. This one here is going to be going to J. McGinn of McGinn's Woodshop. I did his logo on top of a saw here. And number 2 is the Bearded Woodworker, Matt Brander. So, I don't know. I figure the guys be able to use them, maybe hang them up in behind the computer or whatever whenever they're doing their Google Hangouts and all that fun stuff. And, I don't know. I had a blast. I'm full of sawdust, full of stain. Can't wait to give it to the guys and see what they think. And, till the next time, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. And check me out on my Facebook page under Trevor's Woodshop. Thanks. Later.